Hello guys, now today we are going to discuss about chapter 2nd, chapter number 9th, module number 2, force and laws of motion. In module number 2, we are going to discuss about law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum, if large number of interacting particles interact on each other, if external force applied on a system is zero, means no external force is applied on the system, then total linear momentum of the system will remain constant. Now let us explain with help of this example. Let us law of conservation of linear momentum. Statement in the absence of external force, total linear momentum of system of interacting particles will remain constant. Let us consider a body. Having mass m1, body A moving with velocity v1. Another body B having mass m2 moving with velocity u2. If u1 greater than u2, then these two bodies interact with each other. During interaction, force exerted on body A Fa and force exerted on body B, that is Fb, during time delta t. After collision, these two bodies move with velocity v1 and second body move with velocity v2. This is before collision, this is during collision, this is after collision. Impulse in force exerted on body A, that is Fab due to body B, and force exerted on body B due to A, that is Fb. Impulse of force Fab, and Fab multiplied by delta t, that is equal to change in momentum of body A. M1 v1 minus m1 u1. This can be written as m1 v1 minus m2 v2 m1 v1 minus u1. Now Fab, impulse of force Fab. This is the equation first. impulse of force FBA, impulse of force FBA into delta T, that is equal to change in momentum of body P, change in momentum of body, that is m v2 minus m to u2. This can be written as m2 v2 minus u2. This is equation 2. According to Newton's third law, according to Newton's third law, this can be written as FAB, that is equal to minus FBA. Now M1 V1 minus U1, that is equal to minus M2 V2 minus U2. This can be written as M1 V1 plus M2 V2, that is equal to M1 U1 plus M2 U. This shows that linear momentum before collision, that is equal to linear momentum after collision, will remain constant in the absence of external force. That is law of conservation of linear momentum. Now next one is recoiling of gun. Recoiling of gun. Recoiling of gun means the gun trigger before firing, after firing. Before firing, linear momentum 0. After firing, linear momentum, mass of the bullet multiplied by velocity of the bullet plus mass of the gun multiplied by velocity of the gun. Now this can be written as minus mu divided by the capital M, that is V. Negative sign indicate that after firing, gun recoil in backward direction. Gun recoil in backward direction. This is the revision of chapter number 9. Thank you. Have a nice day.